Hi everyone, it's Artist from Carpentry. So just to catch up on a job, also a note that we have running a small problem, which is as I spoke before regarding the appliances. You'd better have them on site before you fit them, before you make frame, and unfortunately we run into the same problem regarding the sink. So I'll show you here. Sink shows, here you go, 800 by 500 dimensions. So which we have done here, we've done 800, and there's depth obviously enough, a 610, so there'll be probably a bit of water top and that through, and actual measurements of the sink are bigger, so that's the problem we're having. So actual measurements are 80.5, I would say. So that kind of is not what it says on a on actual website or on a specification. So the problem is we have obviously done all the paneling and everything, not paneling but framing and the beading, so it's a bit too late to pull that out and redoing it. So what I'm gonna do, I think the way out, I will cut these slightly on angle because it is chamfered. It has slight angle on a sink, so I'll do equal cuts to nothing. Luckily it's not all the way, luckily it's only 500 deep in. I'm not sure how I can do it yet, but I need to get around this somehow, because we're not, you know, it's too much water to take everything out, so we need to somehow sort it out. And I think I'll probably use router, and then just route off bit by bit excess, and hopefully that will be enough for us to fit the sink. But yeah, so if you ever come to dealing with ceramic sinks and bowls and whatnot, do not go by the measurements they give you as shown here, because they're not obviously correct. I don't know how they measure it. That you would think that they would give you the measurement which is the biggest one, which you would think, but obviously they don't. So that's the problem, and unfortunately it was ordered, you know, quite a while ago, but it didn't come till late. So and we couldn't wait till it comes, because otherwise that was stopping us from finishing all that, and you know, we got into trouble because we sort of believed the measurements they were giving on the website, and it showed that they're wrong. So so it's our problem now, not theirs, obviously, like it usually is. So I hope that will, you know, those heads up will help someone. Double check, triple check the measurements before you, especially when you're doing bespoke. And yeah, and we'll catch up with you in the next video. Hi everyone, just a catch-up video really. We've done some scribing into this lovely old wall here. And I want to just show you how I did it. So basically what I did, as you can see here, I've marked shape of the wall every, I think, 70 millimeters or 65. And the first one I used was like a template, so I cut it off shape, and then I've marked it with the square front edge to the wall, and that's how I get these marks. And just copy the shape of it, cut it, and that's where we are. Hope that helps someone, and I will catch up later.